Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a flathead screwdriver and a clean cloth for dusting. Start by turning off your Dyson V11 and unplugging it from the wall. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the filter compartment on the back of the vacuum. You'll need to unscrew the cover using the flathead screwdriver. There are 2 screws securing the cover, so be sure to keep them in a safe place. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift the cover off to reveal the filter inside. Carefully pull the filter out of its compartment. At this point, you may notice that it's quite dusty. Use a clean cloth to wipe down the compartment, removing any accumulated dirt or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance of your Dyson V11. Now, take your new filter and insert it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. Once the filter is in place, replace the cover and screw it back down tightly to ensure it's sealed properly. If you find yourself without the necessary tools, or if you'd prefer to have a professional handle the maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before any repair. After securing the cover, it's essential to check the vacuum's performance. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or reduced suction, it might be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. For regular maintenance, it's recommended to check and replace your filter every 6 months, depending on usage. Regular cleaning of the vacuum's exterior and internal components will also prolong its lifespan. In conclusion, changing the filter on your Dyson V11 is a straightforward process that can significantly improve its performance. If you ever feel overwhelmed or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We're here to help you keep your vacuum in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.